How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can simply set the maximum number of reviews per day in Anki. So first things first, you want to navigate through your deck, and from here just click on the gear icon right beside the deck that you want to modify. So in my case, it's going to be this deck right here. Click on options, and now inside this page you could just scroll down, and from here, you will be able to see the maximum reviews per day section. So as of the moment, in my case, it's going to be 200. You just want to navigate through the daily limits, and from there, you're good to go. Modify this the way you want to. Of course, we have the presets, decked, and today only. And so guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. Leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.